Hey, hi everyone, this is Siddharth and thank you so much for watching The Diligent Educator. Now, in this particular YouTube channel, which I was thinking of starting since a long time, I'll be uploading some educational videos. This is an introductory video which will tell you about my plan for The Diligent Educator. The videos which I'll upload will fall under three categories. The first category is school level videos, wherein I'll be uploading videos which explains concepts which normally we study at our school level. It can be from subjects like science, maths, and even English. The second category of video will be of entrance exam level category. In this, I'll be uploading videos on the topics which are generally asked in different entrance exams for MBA or for bank PO, etc. In both the categories of video, I'll be attaching a document which will have some exercise questions, and you will be expected to solve the exercise questions and post the answers in the comment section below. Other than that, the third category, which is my favorite category, and that is the miscellaneous videos. In the miscellaneous videos, I'll be uploading videos which do not fall under the first two categories. It can be anywhere from any current affair or any issue which India is facing or the world is facing, anything that you post in the comment which requires some discussion, or it can be any problem which we students are facing. It can be some of my life incidents, some of my travel experience, some of the stories from epics like Mahabharata or Ramayana which has some learning. In fact, anything under the sun. So, this particular YouTube channel, I'm starting with the motive that I want to share the knowledge which I have with maximum number of people. Now, I need your help. You have to do a little favor to me. Please subscribe to this channel and let your friends know about this so that I'll be able to reach to maximum people. Having said that, I'll be uploading the first educational video pretty soon. So next time you will see me, you'll be seeing a small whiteboard behind me, which will help me to explain certain concepts to you. Till then, thank you so much. And since this is a new video, all your good wishes and your suggestions can go in the comment section. It would be highly motivating for me to read those. Thank you so much. See you soon. Goodbye.